So now I'm going to cover date and time data type. Okay, so because the date and time most important data type, because in all the project at least some place we used to get a current date. We used to get a chance to um, place current date or current month or current year or combination of current month and date or year, something like that, right? So for that we need to use date and time variable. Okay, then right click and create a new folder, that is date time, enter, and go to date and time here and right click and click on add and click on sequence date time demo, and here you see and date and time. So drag and drop assign activity, and so this is to get a current date time. Okay, and if you click on Control K and I am going to create a variable current date time. Okay, enter. Now you see the variable type is in string format, right? So okay, let me go here. Okay, so go to this expression editor, add date. Okay, date time dot now. Okay, if I add date and time dot now, we are getting an error. Okay, so what is the error? Option strict on disallows implicit conversion from date to string. So now it's in a string format, right? String data type. Now go here in the variable type, check here, is there any date and time format here? No. Then go to browse for types, here type date time. Okay, and you will see under system there is a date and time data type. Click on OK, and now you see, so the error is gone, and right line and add current date and time dot to string. Okay, now execute it, then step into, then in the right line you see you have printed your current date and time. Okay, that's it, to get a current date and time. So can I use string variable type to get my current date and time, and can I customize that particular date? Yeah, you can. Okay, just go to project panel and go to date and time and right click and create a new sequence. Let's say customize date formats. Let's say click OK, and I'm going to create a variable that is a current date, and here I can use string only. Okay, so let's say I'm going to add a assign activity here and call your current date, and the same function I'm going to add, that is date time dot now. So, and also I'm going to add one more small syntax here, dot to string. Okay, this will print your current date. Okay, right, drag and drop and add a current date, that is also string. Okay, now what if I want the current day as a text? Okay, so let's say current current day text. Okay, so again I'm going to create a variable called current day text, and then you can choose string and call your variable and go here and add a date time dot now dot to string open bracket within double quotes add bdd. Okay, then click on OK, and now drag and drop right line activity and call your current day text. Now you see let me execute the entire workflow. Step into, and here it's written the date and time, and also if you execute, and it will converted only, I mean it's extracted only the current day as a text, and that is Monday. Okay, then step into, and it's written here in the console Monday. Okay, so the same way, and if you need a number, okay, the day number, you can add a double 2 here. Okay, like this. If you want to get the month, you can add the month number. If you add one more m, you will get only the short form of month. If it is Jan, you will get JAN. If you added here one more m, you will get the entire January. Okay, if I added here y, you will get the year 23. Okay, if you added 4, you will get the entire year 2023. Okay, so that's how you can modify your content here based on your need. Okay, so this is all about date and time functions.